this is our semi-final round for the 4 years old boys category. So this will be point system now, and they will run for 2 laps. Kaya sa parents ko natin, pwede kayong pumasok dyan. Natalie!
Dagas!
Up next, please prepare. 4 years old girls semi-final round. Once again, 4 years old girls semi-final round. Please prepare.
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, Kalex! Ayaw mo nun! Kalex, ayaw try! Ayaw try, Kalex!
Oh my God, perfect touch ng labanan. Again, point system na tayo sa semi-final. Right now, please prepare 4 years old girls category for the final semi-final round. Race number. Ay, final round rather. Final round. Again, final round na natin sa ating 4 years old girls category. Race number 411, 433, 439, 469, 550, and 484.
Hapit na si Kuya, hapit na si Kuya. Hapit na. Kaleb! Pass, Kaleb!
Girls category race
Go,
number.
go, go! Sprint, 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 sprint! Sprint, 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 sprint!
469.